Hi, I would like to welcome you to the life of a corporate girly who is just a content creator at heart. Welcome to a new vlog, and I hope you enjoy as we will be traveling to Pretoria for work. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaya. I'm a corporate girly who's just a content creator at heart. We are in Hatfield, Pretoria because we have an in-person training tomorrow. Yeah, I'll explain everything. Even my channel name says Corporate Girl Diaries, but I haven't been uploading anything that has to do with corporate life. But that is about to change because we are in Pretoria. We are in Pretoria because tomorrow we are attending an in-person training at work, and that is where the corporate girly content starts. I am so excited, you guys. Like, I love going to work. I enjoy being a remote worker so much, but meeting with my colleagues, getting to dress up, getting to look pretty. I even got my hair done. Exactly, I got my hair done because I'm going to the office tomorrow. Okay, actually, it's not the office, it's an external venue, but yes, you get the vibe. I have a feeling my phone is gonna fall, but let's try to open this tripod. Okay, let me start over from scratch. Okay, back to, oh wait, let's close here. Back to factory settings. Is that how they call it? Back to default settings. And okay, so now this is where I put my phone, and then I have to pull it to extend it. But the problem is opening these legs so that it can stand on its own, but I can't. I did it the other day though, so I don't know what's happening now. I didn't even have to do what I'm doing now. I literally just pulled it and the legs spread. Okay, I'm sad because I actually got this so that I can film literally everything that happens this week, because I think it's going to be a good week. Even if things don't go according to my plan, like today, I did want to film so bad. I'm gonna make a plan though. I think I'll film. I think it was gonna be easier to use this because I can't keep on looking for something to support my phone. Let's try again. If I get it right, I'm not gonna close it. Okay. Alright, I think now that I'm bored, I can give you a room tour. So this is where you enter, obviously, and then first door is the bathroom door and shower. Oh, and I'm so short. No, I'm not that short, but this thing is so up high. I literally can't see myself. I can only see my weight. You see what the camera sees? That's literally what my eyes also see. Actually, this is what my eyes see. Wait, yeah. This is what I see on this mirror. So I don't know how I'm gonna prepare in the morning, but that is fine. I'm not intending to do any makeup because I have new face products. Okay, bathtub, towels, just an ordinary basic bathroom. And then I have a, yeah, tea station. I think I'm gonna drink tea tonight because I'm extremely tired. I hope they have chamomile. They do not have chamomile. I'm just gonna have rooibos. This is the bed. Yeah, a little dining table and a chair where I can dine. Some sort of a working station. My laptop is already open. It's already a mess. I also got food, not from the hotel, from some shop across the street. I'm in Hatfield. If you know Pretoria, you know which shop I'm talking about. I got pap, and this was my first meal for the day actually. Yeah, and then my bags. that is about it. It is a small room, comfy for one, and I do not really have a view. Yeah, I don't have a view. I can only see buildings, which is fun.
You will find someone else. Look, you're too special not to. Megan couldn't make this plate. I don't think I'll be able to. It's fine.
All right, good night. Good morning. It is day 1 of training, and I finished bathing and doing everything else. And now I'm just gonna try out an outfit. I hope it works. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna keep the skirt and change the top. Like I said yesterday when I was doing the room tour, I'm not doing any makeup because I'm trying out new skincare products. So I've done my skincare routine. Now I'm just gonna apply sunscreen, and then we are good to go. One thing I also realized is that I didn't bring anything for my hair, either a hairspray or moisturizer, even gel. I didn't bring any of those things. Anyway, this is the top. Let's see if it works. I'm wearing a boob tube inside because I'm going to work and it is open here. So let's see if the outfit works. Otherwise, I'm just gonna quickly change my top but keep the skirt. I have to be leaving this place by 7:30 latest. Now the time is 7:14. I don't know. Nah, I don't like it. It's not working. I think I'm gonna go with these pearl earrings instead of the gold ones. Yo, where's my voice? Full outfit. Okay, I'm not excited for this training and I've been waiting for it. I forgot to show you my toes. I'm wearing these shoes specifically because I got a pedicure yesterday. Cute. Otherwise, I would wear the black ones, but oh, should I try the black? No, on my toes, my toenails to show. So re kaya kontle.
Okay, so I can put this 7 Hey, is that TikTok?
And that marks the end of our vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, I hope you're subscribed. If you're not, I hope that you enjoy my content and ultimately hit the subscribe button. See you on the next one.